You have probably googled how to make money online from home more times that you can imagine, and every single time is the same boring list. You will hear people say things like virtual assistant, drop shipping, sell a course, and you just close that tab because none of them actually tell you what to do. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 7 side hustles that women can start from home with zero experience. And please do not skip idea 6 and 7. Idea 6 is the business that I personally do every single day to make money from home. And idea 7, this one shocked me when I saw how simple it is, but it can actually make you money every single month if you do it consistently. If you're here for the first time, hi, my name is Diana. I teach women how to make money from home using just their phone so they can be independent and financially stable. If that is the type of content that you want to see, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Go ahead and give this video a like because it helps YouTube to show this content to more people just like you. That being said, let us get right into the video. Now, what is UGC? UGC means user-generated content. Basically, brand need videos that look like real people are using their product, not polished ads, not celebrity influencer videos, just simple, natural content that feels like a real customer saying something like, this is what I bought, this is how it works, this is why I like it, and this is what happened when I tried it. That kind of content perform really well on TikTok, Instagram, and any short form video platform because they don't look like ads. They actually look like real people just sharing their personal opinion about a product. And because of that, brands are willing to pay people to create this content for them. Now, normally, if a brand wants a UGC video, they have to hire a content creator, ship the product to them, and wait for them to record, edit, and send back that video. Most times, they have to go back and forth, which just takes so much time. But now, with tools like Hikfeed AI, you can create realistic UGC style videos without you ever needing to be in front of the camera, hiring a model, and without recording a full video of yourself. Imagine a skincare brand. Instead of you to just post a product photo, you can create a short video of a woman holding that product, smiling and applying it and reacting like she loved the product. Imagine a clothing brand. This one is very popular. You can create a lifestyle videos that shows someone actually wearing the product or showing the outfit in a way that naturally sells it. Brands are out here looking for people who can help them create that kind of video. I literally receive emails like this every single week from brands who want UGC content. And the crazy thing about this is that the business is not pay me because I have followers. The business is pay me because I can create content that make your product look more attractive online. So how can you start? The easiest way is to create 3 to 5 sample videos first. Do not wait for brand to hire you before you practice. Pick a product category like maybe skincare, hair product, fashion, home decor, supplements, and even print on demand products. Then use AI to create sample UGC style videos around those products. Once you have those samples, you can start reaching out to small brands. You can find them on Instagram, TikTok, Shopify stores, Etsy stores, or even businesses that are already posting content that looks weak. Send them a simple message like, hey, I create short UGC style product videos for brand. I made a sample in this style and thought it would work well for your product. Would you like me to send it over? That is it. Not desperate, not long, just direct. And you can also apply on UGC platform like Below, Join Brands, Twill, and Incense, where brands are already looking for people to create content for them. It honestly just depends on your skill, the quality of your sample, and how well you reached out. But traditionally, UGC creator can often charge anywhere from $150 to $500 per video, depending on the brand, the usage rights, and the type of content. So even if you started small, you could make a few $100s from just one project. For example, if a brand order 5 videos at $150, that is a total of $750 from one project. If you have 2 projects like that in a month, that can sum up to $1,500 in a single month. And you can even earn more if you have more reviews and you have built authority over time. Now, I'm not saying that you will make money immediately. You still have to learn the tools, you still have to create good sample content, and you still have to actually reach out to brand. But the opportunity is there because brand needs this type of content constantly. And most beginners are still thinking they need a huge audience to make money with content. You do not. This is a proof that you do not need huge audience. I already made a full tutorial showing you exactly how to use tools like Hikvid AI and Claude. So I'll leave the video link below the description if you want to check it out so you can learn the step-by-step workflow. Think about a fitness coach, for example. She uses ChatGPT or Claude every single day to write things like client check-in messages, workout plan, Instagram captions, email newsletter, and content ideas. But here is the problem. She does not always know what to type into AI to get a good result. She spent hours testing prompts, writing them, fixing bad outputs, and trying to figure out how to make AI actually sound like her business. Now imagine you have already done the try and error for her. You have tested what works and you know the type of prompts that help fitness coach create better captions, better email, better client message, and better content idea. So all you have to do is to package all of that into one document and you sell it for $47. She buys it, opens it, and now she is no longer sitting there guessing what type of words to put into AI. She can just copy one of your prompts, paste it into ChatGPT or Claude, and add her own details and get a much better result. And the best part is, once you create that prompt package, you can sell the same document again and again and again. You can sell it on Gumroad, you can use Payhip, Standstore, Etsy, or if you prefer, your own website using Shopify. But the smartest way to do this is to pick one audience first. Do not create random prompts for everybody. The more specific you are, the easier it is for you to sell because the people can immediately look at it and say, this was made for me. If you sell a prompt package for $47 and 100 people buy it, that is $4,700 from one digital product. Now, I'm not saying just post it once and magically 100 people will start buying it. You still need to do your own market research. You still need to market it. You still need to show up example. You still need to get it in front of the right people. Now, idea number 3 connects directly to the same energy, but instead of selling prompts, you use AI to build something that small businesses genuinely need to function. And I know this one works because I use it myself. You do not need to be a coder. I mean, at all. AI tools now build professional looking websites in a matter of minutes. You just describe what the business needs, AI builds it, you customize it, and you deliver it straight to the client. Here is where the opportunity sits. There are millions of small businesses. I'm talking about local salons, photographer, restaurant, fitness trainers who desperately need professional website, but they cannot afford to hire a proper agency. You can charge just few hundred to a few thousand and still be the most affordable options that they have found. Your job is not to be a developer. Your job is to be the person who knows how to use AI to build what they need faster and cheaper than anyone else. If you get just one client in a month, you can earn $500, and if you get like 6 clients in a month, you can earn $3,000 and above. And as you go faster with more proof, more testimonials, and more businesses who are ready to vouch for you, your numbers can keep going up. Idea number 4 is something that Claude AI can build for you in a matter of 2 minutes, and people are already spending money to buy this. And this one is faster to start than all the ideas in this list. I'm talking about a fitness coach who writes the same client onboarding email every single time, a small business owner who plan their social media from scratch every week. These people have a painful problem and your template is the solution. So here's how fast this works. You can go over to Claude and type something like create a 30-day social media content template for a fitness coach, include columns for platform, content type, hook, captions, and call to action. Format it for Notion. And in under 2 minutes, you will have a professional ready template that you can start selling. Anything a specific type of person needs to do regularly, Claude can build that template in minutes. You can upload it to Etsy or Gumroad and price it between $9 to $47. Anytime someone buys it, you earn cash. The key here is this: the more painful problem your template can solve, the more that they are going to pay for it. Generic templates do not sell. Templates that solve a specific problem for a specific type of person, that sells all day long. My daughter started building a KDP catalog when she was 9 years old using AI. She did not write anything herself. She just followed a simple process and she's already making her first dollars. I showed her once, just one time, and she just figured it out. That is how accessible this business is. And before you start saying, oh, for this one, that means I have to be a book writer. No, you do not have to write a single word because these books are low content books. We are talking about things like journal, puzzle books, notebooks, books that are mostly blank pages. You can use AI to create the interior pages. You can use AI to design the covers. You can use AI to write the title, the description. You upload it to Amazon, Amazon sell it, Amazon print it, and Amazon ship it directly to your customer. You earn a little royalty anytime you make a sale. So here's what makes Amazon truly exciting. Amazon already have millions of buyers, so you are not building traffic from scratch. You are putting your product in front of people that are already searching inside the platform. And the strategy here is simple. You need to build a catalog, not one book, okay? That is a mistake that a lot of people make and it's really costing them sale. People think that they just need to upload one book and Amazon will start showing your book to the world. But that is not how it works. You actually need a huge catalog of books so that Amazon can start recommending those books. And now idea number 6, the one that I told you in the first minute of this video, the one that I personally use every single day. Here is how most people do print on demand. They upload a boring design, post a flat white background mockup on TikTok and Instagram, and wait for sales. And when they get nothing, they just give up. But here is how the women that are actually making money consistently with this business do it. They use AI to research their niche and find exactly what their audience wants. They use ChatGPT to generate the design. They use ChatGPT to create realistic product mockup. I'm talking about people wearing the product without hiring a photographer. And then they go ahead to use HikFeed AI to create scroll-stopping marketing videos, really looking people wearing the product, reacting to it, unboxing it, all completely generated using AI. And once your store is set up, it runs. Your order comes in even while you sleep, while you are with your kids, while you're traveling, or while you're just living your best life. The supplier prints the product, they pack it, they ship it for you, and you just get paid. You don't need any inventory, you don't need to spend any money upfront unless when somebody has already paid for that product. And you can be live with your very first product today. This is the business that I built and this is the business that I teach. And if you want to build it the right way, with clear roadmap, AI tool that does the heavy lifting, and a community of women that are building alongside you, I am currently running a 6 weeks broke to building POD challenge. It is week by week, action by action, your store, your brand, your content, and your first sales. The waitlist is available right now for you to log in. I'm going to leave the link below the description so you can join us. And now, idea number 7, the one that completely shocked me on how simple it is and how much it pays you every single month just by showing up. I want to be specific about the word niche here because it is what makes this business model work. Not as general social media manager, a Pinterest specialist for one specific type of client. You become the Pinterest person for fitness coaches or for interior designers. One type of client, one platform. You become an expert in that specific combination. So here is why this works. Pinterest is one of the most powerful free traffic for businesses, and most small business owners have absolutely no idea how to use it properly. They do not know the difference between lifestyle pins or product pins, but the thing here is you do. You know how to do these things. AI can literally help you create all these things in the fastest way possible and give you even stronger results. You can charge these people a monthly retainer like $300 to $500 per month. If you have 3 clients in a month, that can be $900 to $1,500 per month. And here is how I know this works. I have personally built my Pinterest account to over 650 monthly visitors. And it's just so crazy because this is a platform that most people are completely sleeping on. And you can be the person who helped them figure it out. Everything you need to learn these skills is inside my channel. You can go check them out. So ladies, that is the 7 online business idea. All of them are real and all of them are buildable from your home without any experience. Do not try to start all 7 at once. If I am in your shoe, I'm going to pick one and I'm going to make sure that that candle is well lit before I add something else to it.